$3,000 just for rent might not be affordable individually for everybody, but here's where roommates can come in. So today we are checking out places between $3,000 and $3,500 a month. All right, so let's check out this first spot, which was only posted 14 minutes ago. So this is fresh on the market. All right, it is 2-bed, 1-bath. Looks like a pretty cool spot. Not too tall of an apartment. So this is your area. Wow, great kitchen. Great kitchen. And comment below if you would share this space with another roommate, possibly multiple roommates, or if you would prefer to be here by yourself. Nice. So we have some laundry. Very nice. Wow. Even though you're not too high up, this is still a great view. All right, so this is one of the balconies and one of the areas. This could be a bedroom, possibly. All right, oh, nice closet. Yeah, so this would most likely be one of the bedrooms. Washroom, very nice. All right, so ooh, downstairs there is a fitness area or a gym. Very cool. And this is one of the outdoor spaces. Cool. And the rooftop. Always nice if you can access the rooftop in your building. That's pretty cool. All right, so yeah, comment below if you would share this space with other people. We have done videos on places for rent between $500 to $1,000, $1,000 to $1,500, $1,500 to $2,000, $2,000 to $2,500, and today that's when we are doing $3,000 to $3,500. All right, so here is our next place that was only posted an hour ago. It is $3,500 a month, 3-bed, 1-bath. Looks like a very spacious place, very clean as well. All right, so here is your kitchen. All right, another angle. All right, so here would possibly be like the living room space with your hallway, possibly 1 bedroom behind those doors. Yeah, very nice. 2nd bedroom possibly, or wait a second, that actually might be the same space. All right, okay, so this is one spot. All right, different angles. Another bedroom and your washroom. All right, so it looks like a pretty nice spot. Looks quite bright as well. Even though it's 3 bedrooms, would you have more than 2 roommates? Comment below. With only 2 roommates, rent would be more than $1,100 per person. Let's check out this next spot that is $3,000 a month, and it is a studio space, 1 bathroom. All right, so $3,000 might be in a really good location. All right, so here you can see what the person has done with the place and their decoration styles. Oh, it looks like we have a staircase leading upwards. That is nice. All right, so kitchen, small island here with some, oh, that might be like the dining table / island. All right. Wow, all right, your bathroom. And ooh, got a nice up rooftop type of space. Very nice. Oh, all right. And oh, very nice. Got a gym, fitness area, bike storage, and laundry. Wonderful. At least you don't have to go out to a separate building for laundry, so that is nice. Wow, so this is located in Williamsburg, and the score is 98 out of 190 over 100 for the walk and bike score. So $3,000 a month for a studio seems pretty steep. Would you take this for yourself, or would you have some roommates, or would you totally leave this on the side? Comment below and let us know.